Hi everyone, I just received our Cartus coaching sheets, the first ones for the year, because they've made some adjustments to the scores. So it took a little while to get them this year, and I wanted to make sure that I got them out to you as soon as possible so you know where we stand and where we can improve and what changes we can make sure that we get as many points as possible this year. So to earn silver this year, you need 21 to 25 points. To earn gold, you need 26 to 30. And 31 or more points earns you platinum status with Cartus this year. Right now, as of this moment, if everything closed today, we would be at 20 points. Just 1 point shy of the silver mark. But there's lots of good news ahead. First of all, what we want to do is concentrate on conversion this year. So all those files that you have, try to convert on them the best that you can. Things are starting to move along in our market really, really well, and that's a great thing. So conversion in your affinity files, those are your Navy Federal Credit Union, the AARP files, the Military Rewards Program. Those home finding or buyer and listing files, we want to concentrate on the conversion there. Also, your conversion on the corporate files. We don't get a lot of corporate files on Long Island, but the ones that we do, and this is where we're going to earn a lot of our points. If you scroll down on this sheet and you go to relocation performance, you'll notice we're not earning any of those points yet, and that's because we haven't had enough relocation closings. And there's nothing that you or I could do about that, but once we hit that minimum marker, which should be this month or next month, we're going to earn much more points. So when I give you the next update or the update after that, we're going to have a lot more than 20 points on this sheet, which is really good news. So conversion on the corporate, the affinity, and then the broker to broker is the third line of business that we want to concentrate on. That those leads that we get from brokers across the country that come to us and ask us to help their client out, we want to convert on that business really well also. So those are the three main things as far as conversion goes on this sheet. I'm going to attach the sheet to the email as well, so you can take a look at it on your own and we're not flying through it on here. The other two items that we want to concentrate on are the agent-generated referrals. So these are the referrals that we put into the system for the Navy Federal Credit Union, the AARP program, or the Military Rewards Program. When we get closings, we earn extra points toward platinum that way also for the groups of closings. So if we reach a 10 closing status, we get a point. If we get to 20, we get 2 points, and so on and so forth. So the more closings we have for AGRs, the better. And the same thing goes for OGRs, or outgoing referrals. So if you have an outgoing referral, put it through the system, and if it closes, we earn points that way. So this is where we stand right now, only 1 point shy of silver. Again, I'm really, really hopeful that next month or two we're going to pick up a bunch more points and we will be in that gold platinum range. I'll keep you updated along the way. Thank you so much for everything that you're doing. You're really awesome team here, and I could not be happier of where we stand at this point. If there's ever anything you need, you can always reach out to me. Thank you very much for your time, and be safe and be well.